Hello. A quick bit of information for you about the paddles that we use. These are all Werners. They're a very lightweight paddle for the children, and they're a slightly smaller paddle than the adults use. The important things that we need to notice about this paddle is the correct terminology when we teach the children. The main section between the blades is called the paddle shaft. The curve that goes to the back of your paddler is called the dry face, and this curve is just called the back of the blade. When you're getting the children to paddle in the water for the first time, it's important you know that your paddler is left or right-handed. Our left-handed paddles are marked with the word Werner and Rio on the dry face. You'll also find that a red band that's flashed in the centre of the paddle for easy identification you've got a left-handed paddle. This is obviously a right one. The way we teach a right-handed paddler is simply we get them to hold the paddle in front of them, they put their right knuckles on the paddle shaft with their knuckles in line with the top edge of the dry face. So the dry face is obviously pointing behind you. And then they have a loose grip with their left hand. To get this paddle position right for a paddler though, we need to make sure that we have it in the right place. We don't want them odd on the paddle shaft, and we don't want them too far out. So what you do, you simply ask them to put their paddle on the head, and you're looking for a right angle on each of the arms. So as you can tell, this paddle is far too small for me because I'm also at the end of my paddle shaft completely. But you'll find the children will be normally at least about 8 to 12 inches in from the end of the dry face. Just make sure you've got the right angles for the arm on the paddle, and they're equally spaced with the hands on the shaft. When they do paddle, all they have to do is from their right grip, obviously knuckles in line with the dry face. When they're paddling on the right hand side, it stays here. And when they want the left hand blade to hit the water, all they're going to do is to rotate this wrist up slightly. This left hand grip is going to open gently and allow the paddle to rotate through the wrist, which will then allow, when your right paddle in the water, light grip, paddle is brought up and comes into the water for the catch of the blade stroke.